In this short and basic video, I will show you how to insert this partition symbol in MS Word. So guys, if you are using Microsoft Office any version, there are three methods to type this symbol. First method is shortcut type 2202. Now press Alt plus X. So you can type this symbol. Second method, insert an equation. Now in this second line, you will see this symbol. Select it. And third method, using symbol. So insert symbol, more symbols, and font select normal text, and subset select mathematical operators. Once you click on this drop down, so you will find this symbol. Select it, and here select this symbol. It's a character code 2202 and shortcut key, as I said before, 2202 followed by Alt plus X. Then insert. So thanks for watching. This is the method to insert and write this symbol in MS Word.